Chapter 1. Christ will swear, Lo, I am with you always, even unto the end of the world. Go ye therefore, and teach all nations. Go to the farthest bounds of the habitable globe, and know that wherever you go, my presence will attend you. Nakapadasig ka na ang kanako mga kaigsunan. Nakatandog ka na sa akong kasing-kasing. Whatever difficulties o kung sa makakulihan na mapuntanin mo, the gracious promise is always ours. Lo, I am with you